Multiple tools are available to help with alignment of factors on the diagram canvas. At the top of the canvas, the Layout menu allows you to show or hide a grid, enable Snap to Grid functionality, or turn on Smart Guidelines to help align factors with one another. When multiple factors are selected, either using Shift-click or by clicking and holding to lasso multiple factors at once, alignment tools will show up across the top of the selected factors. Click on the appropriate button to align all selected factors to one of the four sides or the vertical or horizontal center lines. Use Undo or Control-Z to step backward through any alignment changes. The size and position of individual factors in the diagram can be edited by clicking once on the factor and dragging it to a new location. When selected, nodes appear around the border of the factor to allow resizing. Link shape can also be edited by selecting a link and using the control nodes to reshape the links. Use Undo to reverse any changes you've made, or click on the straight arrow icon to revert to a simple straight link.